is Muradal Qureshi, and today we will learn about how to draw a flowchart in draw.io. So I built this. Uh, you can see this is a called convolution neural network, like I present in a flowchart. So just I show how can I build it, and this is also another diagram and that I built today. It's a complex diagram. So let's take a simple one like that one. How can I build it? And there are also some default diagram like this one. So okay, so let's take draw.io and create new diagram. So from here, according to your requirement, you can change this like that. I say tutorial diagram, and from here you can select any default diagram and can edit it. Chart, engineering, flowchart, then layout, maps, network. You see here there are different types of maps, other software, tables, and other things. Just see here, and Venn diagram. There is a fancy tools in here, and this is for free. So let's take a simple one for the demonstration purpose. So for example, take this one. Just I build it, that's why. So there, for example, you have if you are a computer science engineer, then it's very good, or otherwise you can modify it. For example, you can say that data collection. So click it and delete in here, and from here uh, like data collection from, say, you data collect from server or using GPS. So I give a signal for GPS from here, this one. So I collect it and take it from here. Okay, and then I insert a text. I click it and move it in here. Okay, and now from text there is an option for text here. You can increase the point. I say 19, and you can also change the color. So I say 19, and I say it data collection. Okay, and then say that you will collect data, for example, from by using some let's say some mathematical terms, or from like that, or using model. So let's say using computer model. So take it computer model in here, and then again model, or modify it by text and say that computer model or PC model. Okay, and then you can edit this one also. So for demonstration purpose, I say that I use this one. So say that this one, and I can move it, and from here I can also change its position, and also okay, now now say that now the data will be stored in a, like say this, in a server. So I say that in server, and from server, and you again put a here text and edit it, and from server the data will go to, for example, let's say that, or we will check virus. This is a model, so you can edit according to your thing. So there, and then okay. So for example, you can take a lots of thing according to your instructions. So uh, just change it. And for example, you want to take this data. You have a folder. So the folder has 11 or 12 category. So how can you change the thing? And so I take it here and I say that this is a one category, this is another category, this is another, this is another, and this is another category. So from here you see there is a click mark. So from click mark I can insert a link on here, and from here this one I can insert, from this one I can also insert, or if sometimes if it's overlapped, then I can choose another tick mark from, okay, so let's take it and change this position. Okay, so it can connect in here, or you can draw also, you can draw it, say that this one is there and this one is there, and position. Okay, and you can also for example say that the computer you say computer has some configuration, so take it there and make it a link with this thing. For fancy tool, say that this link is connected with this one. Okay, and give a text box in here. Okay, and then say that computer is comprised of um, these two or three. So you can give a here also a diagram that 1 2 3. Okay, so after that, how can you use this in a Word file? So I open a Word file, and from file here you save as, this one is tutorial XML file. The XML file is very important for your file, so you can save in a device. So it download in here, and then you can export as PNG. So let's say transparent background include all of my diagram, and you can download in here, and the PNG is ready. So you can use in any types of words, or you can use as a GPG format. Let's say download it, open. So this is the GPG format. Okay, so and then another format, if you want to use as a HTML file in your server, so let's say include copy of my diagram, so you can copy this code and paste it in your server where you need it. Okay, I don't need this thing. And there also another option, link. So from here they will give a link, so copy it, or you can also share it in the Facebook, Twitter, and other thing. And for share purpose, copy it, and then using, oh, sorry, using Google URL. So reduce URL, shorten the link, and this will give a small link and copy it. And let's see how it works. So I paste it and it takes to the original diagram you see here. That's it. It's a very simple tool and is very useful tool for researcher. And there are other fancy tools here. What you need, just take what you need. So I delete it, and you can also use this one. You can make own tools like and insert text set here. Sorry. Text say that this is 3D circle. Okay, and yes, like that. What you need, below another thing. That's it. And one more important thing is that if you need to make a group of this like that, you need a group of these three things. So select it and go to arrange and group it, and they are all grouped. If you want to move it, they will be moved like here. So they will be moved, but sometimes it's create a problem. Okay, so so that's it, and you can also print it from here. So I will give you the link in the description below. Thanks for watching the video.